is Damilola of DRS Etiquette and Image Consulting, your certified etiquette and image consultant and diction coach. Very quickly on practical analysis of speech sound and effective pronunciation skills today. I'm going to help you to learn two consonant sounds which pose confusion to speakers, some speakers of English here. Have you ever heard someone say chop chop? Chop right instead of saying shop right. Or have you ever heard someone say chop chop? Do chop chop. Even this one, I've heard some teachers say do chop chop instead of saying sharp sharp. And some will say I'm going to shush, or to make it worse, they say church. Okay, well, these are people that have been to our institution. I'm not talking about people from Iloke that say Mary Shush. No, I'm talking about people who has been to our institution. And this is not a big deal. It's just a matter of confusion. And is this confusion I'm going to help clear today. So let's see. What are these consonant sounds I'm talking about? Let's get to it. Okay, they're just two, like I said. The first one is sh, consonant sh, and the second one is sh. The first one is like an S that's dropping down and it's pronounced as sh. And the second one is like a T with S that is dropping down and is sh, pronounced sh. So the first sound we're going to look at, analyze, is sh. So S plus H equals SH, which sounds sh. What am I saying? Is that when you see SH in a word, it sounds sh. Okay? Although there are some exceptions, but we are not going to touch that today. But basically, when you see SH in the word, it sounds sh. So example words we're going to look at is SHOP. Let's pronounce the sound for this word individually. Sh plus O plus equals shop. Shop and not chop, because it does not have CH, rather it's carrying SH. And the second one here, let's pronounce the sound individually again, is sh plus A plus equals sharp. Sharp and not chop, because this word has consonant SH, which is pronounced sh. And the second sound today is consonant sh. Alright, like I said earlier, it's like a T in the S dropping down, and it's pronounced sh. So it's like C plus H equals CH, which sounds sh. So when you see CH in a word, it sounds sh. Although there are exceptions, like in the word of Charlotte, some people say Charlotte, but it's not Charlotte, it's pronounced Charlotte. In the future presentation, I'm going to share some words with you that we can find on the consonant sh and sh that may not necessarily be sh, but sh, even when it's carrying SH, and CH as sh, even when it's carrying CH. So now let's get on to this. So ch as in ch plus O plus equals chop and not shop. Like when you chop and dash your vegetables, this is the word for it. And the second one I want us to look at is ch plus A plus check. Isn't those words cause confusion with this one, sharp? Some people say chop and some people say sharp. What is happening here is that I pronounce this word as chap because it carries in between short monotone A. And so the word I pronounce it as chap instead of chop. So I hope you see where the confusion is now. So basically you should know that this is chap and this is sharp. Sharp, SH. So what you've learned so far in this presentation is that SH sounds sh and CH sounds sh. Okay, I encourage you to enhance your subject knowledge of phonics and use it to help in your subject in your school, and likewise use it to help the students. I'm using this opportunity to invite you to our upcoming teachers workshop, Phonics and Rudiments of Phonics. It is coming up on 3rd of May 2018 at Lisa B. Hall, 108 Herbert Macaulay Way, Ibutimeta. The cost is 5,000 naira, but for schools registering their teachers in group, the price is 4,000 per person. If you find this video valuable, please like it and share with your loved ones. Until next time, to stay well. Bye-bye.